Roller rollers are named for their rolling dives in the sky. They are bright blue and green. They hunt insects in open spaces. Bee eater, blue-cheeked. This bee eater has blue cheeks and golden wings. It catches bees without getting stung. It's quick, colorful, and fearless. Kingfisher. Pied kingfishers are black and white with sharp eyes. They hover over water before diving for fish. They live near rivers and lakes. Laughing kookaburra. The laughing kookaburra's call sounds like loud human laughter. It's a friendly bird from Australia. It eats insects, frogs, and tiny snakes. Kookals are big brown birds with long tails. They like to walk through grass instead of flying. They make bubbling, soft calls. Roadside hawk. Roadside hawks perch on poles by roads. They watch for mice and frogs below. They are small but brave hunters. Harriers fly low over fields with their wings spread wide. They move slowly, searching for prey. They have owl-like faces that help them hear better. Buzzards are strong hawks with wide wings. They circle high in the sky looking for food. Their cry sounds wild and echoing. Caracaras are clever falcons that walk on the ground. They hunt but also eat leftovers. They live in open plains of South America. Kestrels hover in the air while hunting. They flap quickly and look straight down for mice. Their wings shine in the sunlight. Merlins are small, fast falcons. They chase other birds through the sky. Their name makes them sound like tiny wizards of flight. Peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird in the world. It can dive faster than a race car. It hunts pigeons and small birds mid-air. Snow goose. Snow geese are bright white with black wingtips. They migrate in huge flocks that fill the sky. Their calls sound like cheerful honks. Barnacle goose. Barnacle geese have black necks and white faces. They nest on cliffs by the sea. Their babies bravely jump from high rocks to reach the ground. Canada geese have black heads and long necks. They fly in V-shaped lines across the sky. They are loyal and often return to the same lake every year. Mute swan. Mute swans are graceful and quiet. They glide smoothly over water. Their necks form heart shapes when they meet their partners. Whooper swan. Whooper swans have yellow and black beaks. They call with loud whoop sounds. They love icy lakes in the north. Tundra swan. Tundra swans live in cold places. They travel long distances to find warmer homes in winter. They are gentle and snowy white. Greylag goose. Greylag geese are gray and friendly. They are the ancestors of most farm geese. They love grassy fields and ponds. Brent goose. Brent geese are small and dark. They feed on sea plants along coasts. They fly far from the Arctic every year.